If you haven't downloaded this weekend's route, there's a swipeable sticker on my helmet. You can put your phone on it and download it. It's good to have it off on your phone or on your computer in case you get separated and you don't have it or know where you're going. We usually regroup at any intersection, turn off, or top of a big climb.
But if I take that stick out, that's like...
It's gonna start spewing air.
A lot of fun.
I think it's time for a tube.
Yeah.
We'll see how this holds.
Yeah, that's wild. Let me help.
Crank up the
Oh, that's one way to do it.
Doing it like that.
Huh, does that work? I just didn't want to. We're all watching you pee.
Pee harder!
Nice stream consistency.
But with joy.
Go for range!
gotta thank Yuba for hosting us. They're awesome.